So hello friends, welcome back. This is another video from Mathematic for JEE Mains and Advanced. So good for Advanced as well. This is a good question. So integration is in this type. So we have two things here. First of all, greatest integer function is there, and that too is in inverse. Yeah? So we have to think in inverse way. I hope you know what greatest integer function is. The greatest integer of 1 is 1, but of 1.5 it is also 1. For 2.5 it is 2, right? So greatest integer of 1.5 is, but since it is 1 by x, we have to think in inverse way. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Then if you put x as these, you do the inverse, it becomes 2, 3, 4, 1, and then we can easily take the greatest integer. Okay, so you have to think in inverse way. Suppose I take this range, so integration from 1 by 2 to 1. If you put anything between this 1 and 0.5, if suppose you put 0.6, so let us put 0.6, it will be 0.6 greatest integer. So 1 by 0.6, sorry, 1 by 0.6 greatest integer. So what it will be 10 by 6, that means 5 by 3, that means how much? 1 point something, which gives you 1, right? So that means between 1 and 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to 1, this term will only be 1. Again, if you take the range, so you can check from different values, from 1 by 3 to 1 by 2, it will be what? It will be 7 square. So you can put that, because inverse it will be inverse. 2 will go above, 3 will go above, and between 2 and 3, anything's greatest integer will be 2 only. Similarly, the next thing will be 1 by 7 cube dx from 1 by 4 to 1 by 3 up to so on. So I am erasing this. So first of all, I have categorized the question, I have identified different limits. Now let us solve this. It will be 1 by 7, 1 minus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 7 square, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Similarly, one more term, 1 by 7 cube, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, up to so on. Up to, it will go up to infinity, right? So many terms. Now we know what is log 1 plus x. It is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x equals 4 by 4, up to so on. Okay. So let us compare it with these. Let us take all the positive terms one side. 1 by 7, 1 by 2, 7 square, plus 1 by 3, 7 cube, up to so on. Then all the negative terms one side. That means minus 1 by 2 into 7, minus 1 by 3 into 7 square, minus 1 by 4 into 7 cube, up to so on. So if I see these, I need alternate negative positive. Okay, if I take x as minus 7, let us see, log 1 minus 1 by 7, x is minus 1 by 7. So each term will be negative, because this is square, this is power 4, negative sign was already there. Each term will be negative, but our each term is positive, so we will put minus sign here again. Otherwise everything is matching, right? Similarly, if you take here, so this is not, we need 2 7 square, not 2 into 7. So first of all, multiply and divide it by 7. So 7 into 1 by 7. So all the terms will flip. Now we need this term, we need to add, subtract this term. It will be plus 7, 1 by 7 minus 1 by 7, then minus 1 by 2, 7 square, minus 1 by 3, 7 cube, 1 by 4, 7 over 4, up to so on. Right? So these all the terms, these ones, negative ones. So it is just this thing in a negative way. That means minus sign will not come. So our next thing will become minus log 1 minus 1 by 7, which was already there, plus 7 into 1 by 7 was already there. Then this thing is plus log 1 minus 1 by 7, right? So now you can see 7 into 1 by 7 is 1, and this 7 and minus 1 is plus 6. So plus 6 log 1 minus 1 by 7 is 6 by 7. So this is the final answer. Okay. So let me just summarize what I did. First of all, I categorized the question in different limits according to the definition of your greatest integral function. Okay. So I broke it into so many limits. Then I understood the power of 7, which is different in different cases. So it had to be broken up to this place. Now this is similar to the log expansion. I broke it into 2 groups and then compared it with log to finally get my answer. Yeah. So this type of question, it is very important for JEE Advanced. Such questions can come definitely, and with practice only you will be able to solve it in the exam. Okay. So if you have any doubts regarding to this question or anything else, you can write in the comments. We'll meet in the next class. So until then, keep practicing. Share this video with all your friends. Okay. All the best.